Solve the system of equations by elimination. Whenever you solve by elimination, we have to get rid of either the variable x or the variable y. You get to pick. In this case, I want to get rid of the variable x. So to get rid of it, I should have the same numbers and different sign. In this case, to have the same number, I'm going to have to multiply these two by each other. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by multiplying this by 2. So in that way, when I multiply by 2, I'm going to get negative 6. And this one, I'm going to be multiplying it by 3. So if I multiply by 3, then I'm going to get positive 6, and then they will cancel each other out. But as you can see, I have to use the distributive property. So I will have to multiply everything by 2, and this other one by 3. Okay, so 2 times negative 3, you're going to get negative 6x. 2 times negative 4, you're going to get negative 8y. And then 2 times negative 6, you're going to get negative 12. Then the next one, I have to multiply by 3. 3 times 2, you get positive 6x. 3 times negative 5, you're going to get negative 15y. And then 3 times negative 19, you're going to get negative 57. The next step is I'm going to just add it up. And when I add it up, you can see these two will cancel. That's how we're going to get 0. Now, adding these two, you can see they have the same sign. Add it up and keep the sign. So that's how you're going to get negative 23y. Then on the other side of the equal sign, we're going to add these two numbers one more time. They have the same sign. Add it up and keep the sign. So we're going to get negative 69. And now what we have to do now is get rid of this negative 23. Y has to be by itself, so I have to divide by negative 23. Here, negative 3 is multiplying y. So to get rid of it, you're going to do the opposite, which is divide by negative 23. Whatever you do to one side of the equal sign, you do it to the other side. Negative 23 divided by negative 23, you're going to get positive 1 times y. You get y equals, and the other side is negative 69 divided by negative 23. The answer should be positive 3. So we get y equals to 3. Now I need to find the value of x. To find it, I can use this equation or that one. And all what I have to do is I have to do the substitution. And that means the answer. Y equals to 3. So you get to pick which one you want to use. I'm going to use this equation. And all I have to do is multiply 5 times y. The value for y is 3. So let me start by doing the substitution. I'm going to write 2 times x minus 5 times y. And all of that should be equal to negative 19. The value for y is the answer that we got. On this case, it's going to be 3. And now let's go ahead and multiply it. Nothing will happen to 2x. I'm going to just bring it down. Multiply negative 5 times 3. You're going to get negative 15. And all of that equals to negative 19. The next step, I have to isolate x. I need to know the value of x. To do this, I have to get rid of number 2 and negative 15. So I have to get rid of the negative 15 first by doing the opposite, right? So I'm going to be adding 15, adding 15. So positive and negative 15, that is going to be 0. We end up with 2x equals, on the other side, they have different sign. Subtract, keep the sign of the biggest number. So the answer should be negative 4. And now 2 is multiplying x. To get rid of it, I'm going to divide by 2. Divide by 2. 2 divided by 2, you get 1. 1 times x, you get x equals, and on the other side, you're going to get negative 2. So the answer for this is going to be the point. The point should be negative 2 and then positive 3. That would be the answer.